Simple Solutions 41 answers. Number 1, you had used the distributive property to multiply 6,355 times 6. Show the product. So when we do distributive property, we break apart our number and then we multiply by our other factor, which in this case is 6. Okay, so then you should have 36,000 as a partial product, 1,800 as a partial product, 300, and then your 30 there at the end. Make sure all of your numbers are lined up. My 300 is off a little bit. Let's fix that. All right, so adding all of your partial products together. For 38,130 is the product. All right, number 2, I have 120 divided by 6. So you could do this 2 different ways. You could set up that 6 like we have been learning here. You can think of just a 10 and then take your 120 and minus 10 each time. So we can go ahead and do this if you would like. Our new number will be, no, I'm sorry, not 10. We multiply by 60, so subtract 60, which is going to give you 60. So you know if you have 60 left over, you can do 10 again. When you get 0, you're done. You're going to add in what you did up top as your factor and get your quotient of 20. You could also think about getting rid of that 0 and then think, well, 12 divided by 6 is 2, and then you can put that 0 back on. Either way. All right, number 3, Ralph is doing sit-ups. That is 7 times as many. This is going to be A, where S is 8. All right, number 4 is 72 prime or composite. It is composite for sure because it has more than 2 factors. If you went ahead and did the factor box, I'll go ahead and give those to you. It's 1 in 72, 2, bless me, 2 in 36, 3 in 24, 4 and 18, 6 and 12, and 8 and 9. One had a lot of factors. But you know, you only have to figure out like 1 or 2 in order to determine if it's prime or composite. All right, number 5, describe the pattern. You can say they're all even. You could have said we start with 2 and add 2. If you have anything else, you can come check with Miss Hill. All right, number 6 was easy. You had to write 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters in the box. All right, number 7, your symbol is less than, and the ones place is what changed. Number 8 is angles are formed whenever 2 rays share a common, hopefully you put end point, a common end point. All right, the good old expanded form. So we should have 7,000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 1. All right, number 10. We have angle QRS is a straight angle. So you should automatically know that's 180 degrees. You know that we have 132. You're looking for V. This is subtraction. So V should be 48 degrees. All right, what times 10 gives me 1,000? Hopefully you have 100 in that box, our number of zeros. All right, number 12, fractions. comparing. Same denominators. So all you have to do is compare the numerators. 6 is greater than 5. All right, 13 is angle QRV, acute, right, or obtuse. Well, if you're having trouble, here's your 90-degree angle. It's greater than the 90-degree angle. So this is obtuse. All right, 14, don't forget to check if you got it. Finding the sum for 10,416. All right, 15, Sandy collected 8 times as many stamps from France as she collected from Italy. She collected 4 stamps from Italy. How many stamps did she collect from France? So that's 8 times as many stamps as France as she collected from Italy. So she collected 4 stamps from Italy. So this should be simple. Of an 80, or 8 times 4 is 32 stamps. Give yourself a check for that.